Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video for the subject Basic Thermodynamics, SY BTech Mechanical, unit number 3, second law of thermodynamics, we are going to discuss heat engine. So, we have already discussed some part of heat engine in the previous video, but again let me tell you, in this unit we are continuously going to discuss heat engine and heat pump and its parameters. So, in the last video we have studied about the laws, and now we will in short discuss about the heat engine. Now, heat engine, now what is a heat engine? Again it is a repetition. So, heat engine, again it is a device, it is a device which uses heat from a higher temperature reservoir to convert into useful work. So, here you can see in this diagram the higher temperature reservoir, that is, okay, here is the higher temperature reservoir, that is TH. This is a heat engine working on a cyclic or a cyclic process or on a cycle, and it converts this heat input QH into useful work, that is W output. But please remember that complete heat is not getting converted into work done. Some quantity, that is QL, that is Q heat loss, is always rejected to a temperature TL at a lower temperature than the higher temperature reservoir. So, in this case it should be noted that only some part of heat gets converted into useful work and other heat is rejected to the surrounding, that is the low temperature reservoir. Now, again the same thing, the efficiency of the heat engine is what? The work output. Work output is the net work output and input is the heat input here in this case. Two things. So, here work output is what? Q1 minus, that is Q input minus Q output. So, if you put the value of, that is Q, that is work net, okay. So, heat input minus heat output, this is, if you put in this equation you will get this equation, okay. That is the simplified form. Now, let us discuss some of the features of a heat engine. Now, first, what are the features? So, first is they can receive heat from a higher temperature source, that is, again it can be a solar energy, oil, or what we can say the crude oil or the petroleum oils, nuclear reactor, etc. So, the heat source can be anything. And the next, the converted work done is, so some part of heat is getting converted into work done, that is useful work done, that is the shaft work. Third is they reject the remaining waste heat to a lower temperature heat sinks. So, it can be a atmosphere, it can be a river. So, in case of thermal power plants it is river, and in case of IC engines it is the atmosphere. Next, they operate on cycle, okay, they operate on cycle, very important point. So, heat engines and other cyclic devices usually involve a fluid to flow from which heat is transferred while undergoing a cycle, and this is called as the working fluid. So, it always operates on a cycle. Next, the term heat engine is often used in a broader sense to include work producing devices and does not operate on the thermodynamic cycles. Now, in simple things, it is they are sometimes called as the work producing devices, and the best example is the internal combustion engines. So, again here the same thing is told, engines that involve internal combustion such as gas turbines and car engines falls in this category. Now again the same thing we will discuss a refrigerator. Now how a refrigerator works. Simple thing, this is a vapor compression cycle. The work input is given here, that is W input. Now what is the desired output? Here the desired output is TL, that is the heat at lower temperature. So to maintain heat lower than the atmospheric temperature, or what we can say the warm environment, here TH is greater than TL. Okay, so in this case, here this is a higher temperature, this is the lower temperature, so that is the refrigerating effect what we can say. So see, this is a what we can say heat pump acting as a refrigerator. Here what is input required, that is the work input, and desired output is to maintain the temperature. So in simple words, the temperature should always be maintained low. Here heat engines, again the same things are explained, okay, on a broader aspect. Thank you friends, thank you very much.